Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be configuring the Zyxel Nebula Control Center to connect to an external captive portal, which will enable us to engage with our users on Wi-Fi and collect their data for marketing. We'll go to Control Center's settings, and we'll go to Configure, and we'll select SSID settings. Here we'll enable advanced mode, and we'll create a new SSID. We'll go to Edit, and we'll specify a name for the SSID, and we'll enable it. In Security Settings, we'll select Open, and in sign up method we'll select click to continue. In wall garden we will enter our domain, and the forwarding mode will be NAT, and we will enable these settings. We'll click on the save button, and we are going to enable guest network and save the settings. Then we will go to captive portal customization, and here it says that the captive portal on this SSID is enabled because a click to continue is enabled. So we will go to the external captive portal URL, and we'll paste our captive portal's URL, and we'll make sure that the URL is entered correctly. And in captive portal behavior, we will select a promotional URL to which the user is redirected after they are successfully authorized on the network. We'll save the settings, and you'll see that the pre-configured theme for the captive portal has been grayed out. The code for authorizing the user on the captive portal is given here. We have to submit a post request to a predefined address, and the format should be URL encoded. And once that is submitted, the user is authorized on the captive portal. You can use this bit of code at the end of your captive portal when the user needs to be authorized. We hope you found this video useful. Thanks and have a nice day.